Okay, okay, I'm gonna call it.
Oh, you bitch!
No!
Seagull! No!
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
I can't legally put my hands up. Doctor's orders.
No
You just shot my fucking tire?
Put your hands up! I said,
You motherfucker!
Put your hands up! You got an aggressive alien right here.
Okay,
Come
you
on.
bitch. Okay, watch this. I'm an elder. You must respect me. I'm an elder. I am elder.
I'm an alien. I'm an alien.
I'm elder ring. I'm coming. I might have.
You got a freaking loose alien from our
Dude, oh fuck.
No.
Oh god, my tire's gone.
Come on.
Oh god, you
shit.
guys are slow.
Oh, it's my tire's gone. And who did that? You, Seagull. You shot my tires out.
That was my friend, Jiro.
No, that was you. I can't come through here.
Go to the highway. Go to the highway.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's escape the police.
Did you just hit freaking Seagull?
I did.
Yes, you did.
Whee! Oh, you fuckers. How did I die? Guys, should we go off this little jump here? Oh, you motherfucker. Oh, I landed it, though. Come on down,
And
Seagull.
I didn't go down there.
Come on, Seagull.
I'm coming down. I'm coming down. I'm coming. I'm going.
Oh, damn it. Hold on, where is he at? Come on.
This is so freaking slow.
Oh, yes, I did. I did it. I hit him in the air. I
You
did
hit
it.
him midair?
Yeah, I hit him mid-air. You got a tail light out. Bop him.
I can't handle this thing. It's freaking. My moped's destroyed.
Oh, yeah, we
you
can't
took the
even
wrong
see you
turn.
back there.
Picked the wrong turn.
Ah! Well, good. Oh, no! Not the moped!
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm on fire! Oh. God damn.
I ran
Oh,
over.
what the fuck? Why is everything exploding? Yeah, we got knocked off the moped. Then it exploded. Then another car exploded.
What do they
Guys, guys, come push me. Come push me right now.
That's got to be the best pirate I've ever seen. So it would seem.
Alright, you guys stay here, alright?
All right, cool. I'm good.
I'll show you the camper.
Wait, what?
my
What?
Hell yeah.
To me, bro.
This is our camper?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Party, everybody, put your hands up in the air.
Go.
Not the
Oh,
speakers.
Oh,
never mind. Yeah.
The turntables.
Oh no! Ow! Alright.
Come on, cops, put your hands up in the air.
Put your hands in the air for Jiro. Oh shit! Oh!
No, Waffles.
How did that happen? It's over
Oh
here.
my god.
Oh god. No, that's me! Ah! Oh! Oh!
Okay.
Oh! This is a fun little game. It's called Dodge the Lights.
Oh my gosh, there's so many cops.
Ah,
freaking
shut
cops.
Oh
Run
shit!
over. What are you doing?
Oh shit!
No. No.
Oh,
What's
and
happening to the car?
there goes half the speaker.
Where the fuck did you go?
You killed him.
No, but where the fuck did the bus
Oh.
go?
I didn't realize you fell off too.
I fell on top of this. I honestly thought we were going on a one-way street. Oh shit. Dude, I didn't know there was gonna be an overpass. I fell on top of the
coming back.
overpass. And then, no, I was gonna fall on top of the goddamn fucking bus. Oh, this, everything's gone. Everything's gone on the top.
Yeah.
Watch your heads, boys.
He immediately fucking gets knocked off. Take care of these guys for you.
Not
No,
again.
Me too
Oh
this
my
time.
God.
What the fuck? Oh shit! No, I'm good. I'm good. Oh my god. You're okay, Seagull? No, you're not. Oh, Seagull's off. Seagull's off.
I should kill somebody.
Oh no! What just? Ah! What just happened? What the fuck? Where did that come
Oh
from?
no.
Where did?
What happened?